Hi, this is Indranil and welcome back to our segment Quick Bite in our channel The Spotlight News, India's first online business news channel. In today's Quick Bite, Adhaar-based payments by using face scan are still not in place. Adhaar-based payments through facial recognition have implemented a year ago by the National Payment Corporation of India, that is NPCI, but still have failed to take off. Indian major public sector banks like State Bank of India, Union Bank of India and Bank of India with millions of their customers have not implemented the project as they want Aadhaar's administrator to make a desktop or laptop version of the service. In August 2020, National Payment Corporation of India, that is NPCI, with the approval of UIDAI, that is Unique Identification Authority of India, had initiated a test rollout of facial recognition with ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, RBL Bank and Fino Payments banks, where the pilot was carried out on non-financial transactions in the first phase and then it was opened for the financial transactions later on. Presently, the UIDAI, that is Unique Identification Authority of India, has developed a mobile application to allow payments through facial recognition, and the idea was to use this method for Aadhaar authentication of beneficiaries using Jan Dhan bank accounts to access government direct benefits, transfer payouts and domestic transfers. In this entire process, the public sector banks invested heavily and majorly in the kiosk banking, where SBI is the largest player in this space, and they are now asking UIDAI to offer a web-based solution. Technically, face authentication makes more sense as it is much cheaper than other forms of payment from a logistic and cost point of view, as the transaction made through face authentication do not require any hardware unlike thumbprint scans or iris scanners. In this space, iris has failed to scale up as the hardware investment is not worth it, where facial recognition only requires a smartphone or other device running Android version 7 or above, which is very common nowadays. Out of these technical processes, facial recognition is a more advanced technology which is having capabilities to replace fingerprint-based and other enabled transactions, which is having close to 20% as failure rate. Now let's understand few data. At the end of December 2024, the Aadhaar-enabled payment system has processed around 93 million transactions, which has a marginal rise over the 92 million transactions in November 2024. If we talk about the volume, the value of transactions also increased marginally to 24,020 crore in December 2024 compared to 23,844 crore in November 2024. While during the peak of the festive season of October in India, the total number of transactions was 126 million with a value of 32,493 crore. In this recent trend of digital transformation and with the increased risk of digital frauds and other hacks, the facial recognition process for banking transaction can become a safe choice for the consumers, where the government also need to play an equal attention in making the process stringent and user-friendly across the class in the country like India. So this was the quick bite in our channel, The Spotlight News, India's first online business news channel. So thank you very much for watching Quick Bite and signing it off.